Hi, Kelly. It's Shayna Eichelman. I received your email and I wanted to create a video so you could see the science for Jordan in his Schoology and also where the Think Central is. So I'm in Student Links right now, and then you're going to click on the top where it says Log in with Clever. And we're going to use Jordan's account. So he's already signed in here. I'm going to scroll down to Schoology. And then on the top part where you click courses, I rearranged it so science was popping up on the top. I did look into it. I was like, why is that not showing up? You're right. If you click on my courses, if that ever happens again, and scroll down, you could see that you have a lot more courses than you actually see. And if you click on reorder courses and then scroll down here, what was happening for whatever reason is that the science was actually appearing down here where PE and recess and let's see the other icons, tech and more tech. So those aren't showing up on his main screen because they're below this drop down line. If you would want to see, let's say tech 5, you would have to move it up and then we'll kick, let's see, reorder it this way, music, and let's say we move NASI block up because I don't think you're going to need lunch. And then when we click out and you look at courses, now that tech is there and music there, NASI block is there, but the lunch isn't. So that's what was happening. He still is enrolled in science, it was just appearing underneath that line. So now you can still access, like for our science test coming up for Unit 3, we still have the review and other things are still there. He's still part of my course. If you want to access the virtual lesson, we're back into Clever now. That is located under Think Central. So you click on Think Central, and then you're going to click on Things to Do. And then up will pop 2 virtual lessons, and the one that's assigned for Tuesday is the virtual lesson 4. So you're going to click on the blue link here. Now it says in progress because I did a little practice here first. You're going to click on this blue link, and it'll pop up and take you to the actual virtual lesson itself. And it just goes through, and it's a video. There's some things that he has to click on, and then when it's all finished, it'll pop up that he's done, and that's how I'll know that he has completed that. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope that you have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.